This video is to showcase you how you can install a pin commit for BuddyBoss platform plugin into your site. So for this you can open acrosswp.com. Okay, once you open you will see this kind of script. I normally basically prefer to accept this transaction, and in the solution you can go to Buddies. You will find multiple plugins. You can click on pin commit. Okay, once you click on pin commit you will going to see this kind of screen. You can click on download. As soon as you click on download you will going to ask for instruction. I have entered my details. Okay, once I have entered the enter I have to go to inbox. Okay, in inbox I'm just refreshing this up. You see I got the email. Now what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to click on this email. As soon as I click, a zip is going to get downloaded. Okay, so now the zip got downloaded. I have come into my site. I click on add new plugins. Into add new plugin, upload folder, choose, and here basically I'm selecting this and clicking on install now. And once I click on update, here you will see the plugin is going to get downloaded. And here is the setting area. You can access the setting area as well. So this is how you can install the pin commit for BuddyBoss platform. Let me know if you have any issues or any doubts on this. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.